Hi guys, I'm with my friend Dante, and he is. Hello guys, I'm Beck. Don't. Just yeah. Sorry guys, I need to put the charger on. Guys, I'm getting kind of annoyed now because like it keeps on going flat. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little den tour. So this is my back or front yard, and this lovely part over here is the bushes, and this is my nice fountain. I don't know what it's called. Let's have a look. It's called a fountain sprinkler, and this is my wolf statue, and I got it from a party. Let's see if it's on. It's from the wolf only party. That's where it's from. If you want to get it, full moon rug is too. That's what I need to know about the wolves, and I'm actually fox. And even though I've done my only first video, I'm giving away my spiked collar, and that is going on my trade. I'm sorry, there's heaps of rubbish on trade. That's going on trade, and so is my rare turtle shell and my rare high top sneakers. I also have a ferocious feline tail that I have no idea what I'm going to do with. And yes, I don't have much clothing because I gave it away to a special person who gave me my first spiked collar. And I don't know why she gave it to me for the full ferocious feline set. She didn't really want the tail, so I still have it. And I don't know why, but that's a good deal. I feel like it's not though. So, people have been asking for my spiked collar. Don't want to give it to them, so I'm so sorry if I say no. My name is Shelly Forest. I'm going to change the color actually. I'm not sure about the black. I like the purple a lot. I haven't actually had the purple one. Comment comment purple if you like the purple. Comment blue if you like the blue, or B blue. So 2 B's and then a blue, and then you got it. If you just want this kind of light blue, just put LB blue. Okay, I like the look of the purple. I know. Yes. Okay, guys, I just need to pause this video 1 sec, and I will be right back with you, and we'll be in a different place called Belush. Hello guys, I'm back, and we're not in Belush, so okay, so we're back in Belush, and look at this crystal. It has evolved from a light pink to this wonderful blue, and one more cool thing, if you can hear this awesome person in the background, his name's Dante. Say hi, Dante.
Hi.
He's going to be talking in the background, so just don't ignore him. Please just answer his questions. You don't have to, but that's
okay. Eva, I got a sniper.
He got a sniper on Fortnite. If you didn't know, he's playing Fortnite. You should go play it. I recommend it. It's just awesome. I'm clapping. I don't know why.
Oh, do you want to see my dance move? Wait.
He's going to do some dancing, and I'll tell you what it's called in a second. Okay, so
yeah,
he is going to... Oh, sorry, guys. So we're going to go to the shop. So they have these things that I'm not into right now. I've got the lamp, but I don't really like anything else.
Wait, look.
Okay, so he's doing the... I don't know, I don't care.
Look, he's my one.
He's doing the...
Dance.
I think it's called the alien one. I'm gonna put it on the video. Okay, guys, I'm trying to find the video. I'm not exactly where it is.
I'm back.
Hey guys, I'm gonna put on the Turk dance. This is the dance he was doing. Turk dance. What the hell of a name is that, bro? Okay, I'm not making fun of you, but I'm not exactly sure. It's kind of gangster. Oh, what the hell? Okay. His face though. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, guys. Oh wow. Who the hell are you? Okay, guys. Oh wow, that was a bad start. Sorry, guys. I just had to go on YouTube. I love YouTube. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it, but I'm more obsessed with Animal Jam. Let's go playing. Welcome to my channel, if you didn't know. And Dante wanted to ask you a question.
If you play Fortnite, I am playing it right now, and I had a sniper as well, but and I'm trying to get Thanos.
Oh, he's doing the one I was showing you before, the Turk dance. Yeah, that one. Okay, if you didn't know, we're from New Zealand, and this is a map picture of New. Oh, how the hell do you spell New Zealand? Okay, so New Zealand. There we go. So I'll show you a oh my god. Okay, guys, I just gonna. This is yeah. This is the flag, and this is us right there. That tiny little country. Dante wants to ask a question. It's so cool that you know. Oh wow, that's New Zealand right there. That's Auckland, and I live right here. Where is Christchurch? I'm not telling you exactly where we live. So yeah. So Dante wanted to ask a question.
I do watch these kind of videos, but can you leave a comment below, probably right now, please? Where do I find Thanos? Like, go on 5v50, v50, v2, or solo showdown?
Solo, duos, and squads. So solo showdown, 5v50,
I'm gonna try
v2. He doesn't know where to find the
Thanos.
He's trying to find the Thanos? Is that
Thanos, come to me.
I don't know what he's saying, because I don't play Fortnite. Yeah, Dante wanted to ask another question, obviously. Come on! Speak your mouth. Okay, guys, we're gonna do some trading. Bruh, what? Rude! Oh, what are you doing? Oh, he's dancing. He was doing the Turk dance. Comment if you can hear it, cause I probably can, cause I'm bruh. Okay, that was really rude of you, cause you just went past me, you rude son of a person. Oh wow, there's the new animal. I can't say animal. Dang it! Sorry guys, I messed everything up. I can't spell aminal. I'm sorry, I can't even say my. Oh wow, it says it right there. Aminal, animal jam. I finally got it right. Okay guys, this video is longer than I thought. So we're just gonna check out the new animal. It looks way better than an Arctic fox. I'm so lucky I have shut up. Wow, okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, guys, I cannot be bothered with Animal Jam right now. Sorry, though. If you really wanted to play on Animal Jam, I recommend it so much. Oh, look, there's Maddie. I love dancing. If you didn't know, I do hip-hop dancing, but fortunately, this week I can't do it, because I actually have a sprained ankle. If you want to see the dancing I do, I go to Swarm Studios with Lucy. Lucy is my dance teacher. And this is the logo right here. And this is just a quick reminder. This is a video just about what I do in life and how I do it. I love Animal Jam. That's one thing I like, Saber Norris and the Norse Nuts. I love Animal Jam. I love Georgia Productions. I am not a big fan of Sedona Funky TV, but I love dancing.
Colin Keys.
Okay, I'll show you who Lucy is. Lucy is my dance teacher. And
are you in this?
No, because I don't do it yet. Because I've got a sprained ankle. So this is the kids junior crew, and this is the dance crew I'm in, but I'm not actually in this video. That's it, Margaret Mayhew Park. It's in New Zealand. The biggest park in New Zealand. That park that they're at. I'm pretty sure she's the leader. Sure, Molly. She's Molly, yeah. They're really good. Comment if you think they're really good. And just a quick recap. That is Bailey right there. Bailey's my friend, and yeah. Let's just put that back in the face. This was made last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
No time.
Bailey's been doing it longer than me? What? Okay. So, I'm subscribing because I can subscribe. Okay, guys. So that's Swim Studios.
Oh, sure.
Swim Studios. Swim Studios is just awesome. You should really. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's try and find Bailey again. So Bailey is my friend, but she's not actually my friend. I just like how she dances. She's just awesome. Let's have a look at the videos. I just want to show you one more video of them dancing. Okay.
With you on it?
I can't be in the video. Okay, because I just started it this year. Oh, okay. So this year I will be doing some, and actually I'm only doing it for a term because of all the important things I've been doing and we've got planned. I also have a favorite movie it's called Zombies. I think it's called Zombies. No, it's not actually.
Well, I got Save the World.
Let's see.
On this.
This is Meg. Oh my gosh. Meg and Milo doesn't. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's called Zombies the movie, as you can see.
Wait, can I see your face?
My face?
Yeah.
What the hell? Why do you want to see my? Hi guys, I'm back, and also I am kind of now, like yesterday, I was into Confetti Pops. LOL Surprise Dolls. I found out about them from my 6-year-old cousin, Sakura. If you didn't know her, I will have to show you a photo in another video. She actually might be in some of the videos this year, and yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm a big fan, and I haven't actually got a gold ball before. So I've got heaps. I've gotten the big gold ball, like the big gold big surprise, and I've also got the pink pearl surprise. And I've also gotten about 11 big balls. That doesn't sound right, does it? Wow. So what I haven't actually gotten to get is that the Confetti Pops. I haven't gotten a gold one, or I haven't gotten a gold mini one. My friend actually gave me the Splash Queen. I was so happy, and then I found out, like, I should buy more so I can give her back her one, so I can buy my own Splash Queen. And I was like, maybe if I get that one, I could buy her a new one. And then she's like, oh no, it's fine. And because I had the clothes and stuff from my friends, she gave it to me. Oh, okay. Yeah, she gave me the doll because she had no clothes, and I had the clothes, so I might as well. Yeah. I need to put it in the charger because it's just gonna go flat again. Goodbye. Yeah. So I have gotten the clothes, and then I didn't give it back because she didn't actually want me to. I had actually gotten her a big surprise, but she didn't want it. I'm like, bro, it's a big surprise. If she gave me that, I would have been like, oh yeah. And this video is how to find a gold ball. I'm not sure who this is, but I'm guessing her voice is really annoying.